Hello there, fellow gardeners. If you're looking to get your plants to thrive, one key ingredient is phosphorus. Today, I'll walk you through a few simple ways you can enrich your soil with this essential nutrient. First off, why is phosphorus so important? Well, phosphorus plays a crucial role in the development of roots, flowers and fruits. Without it, you might find your plants looking a bit lackluster or even struggling to grow at all. One of the easiest ways to add phosphorus to your soil is by using bone meal. Bone meal is a natural fertilizer made from ground animal bones, usually from cattle. It's rich in phosphorus and calcium, and it's relatively easy to come by. Simply sprinkle it around your plants and lightly work it into the soil. Remember though, it can take a while for the phosphorus from bone meal to become available to your plants, so be patient. Another great option is rock phosphate. This is a mineral that's mined from clay deposits and ground into a fine powder. It releases phosphorus slowly, making it ideal for long-term soil health. Just like with bone meal, you can sprinkle it around your garden and gently mix it into the top layer of soil. For those of you who prefer an organic approach, consider composting. Adding compost to your garden not only improves soil structure and moisture retention, but also introduces phosphorus in a form that plants can easily absorb. Use kitchen scraps, garden waste, and even fallen leaves to create your compost pile. Over time, as the organic matter breaks down, it'll release nutrients, including phosphorus, back into the soil. If you're looking for a quicker fix, consider using a commercial fertilizer that's high in phosphorus. Look for fertilizers labeled with a high middle number in the NPK ratio, which stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Follow the instructions on the packaging to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Lastly, don't forget the importance of soil testing. Before adding any amendments, it's wise to test your soil to determine its current phosphorus levels. This will help you avoid adding too much or too little and ensure your plants get exactly what they need. So there you have it. With a little bit of bone meal, rock phosphate, compost or commercial fertilizer, you can give your garden the phosphorus boost it needs. Happy gardening, and may your plants thrive like never before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Cheers, and see you in the next video.